Okay. So the next question is question number 38, produce a report. So to produce a report, you have to make a query. We are not going to produce a report this year, but we will do the query first. We will go into query first. Contains a new field called order which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the price multiplied by 3. So we need to do this one. So we are going to calculate a new field called as order. How is it calculated? It's calculated by price multiplied by 3. Has the order field set as currency with 2 decimal place, shows only the records where the number is less than 2, stock item is yes. So two conditions are also given. Show all the fields and the labels in full, fits on a single page wide, has a page orientation of landscape, sorts the data into the ascending order of make with a rush at the top. So the first thing you're going to make a query. Go to the create tab, query section is there, click on the query result, click OK. Take all the fields to the next side. We need ID, so we take it back. Click next, next. Here, give some sensible names to the query so that it will be easy for you to identify at the later point of time. So query, I'm going to name it as query order. Modify the query design. Finish. So this is called as the query design view. Find out the last empty field. So in the question paper, you have been asked to calculate a new field order. Is it calculated the price multiplied by 3? So this is how you are going to write the expression for that. Order colon price in square brackets multiplied by 3. Order colon price multiplied by 3. We are putting the price field in a square bracket because that field is already present in the database. Now click run. You can see the order field is calculated here. So that part is done. Now shows only the records where the number is less than 2 and the stock item is yes. So again take the design view. Click here, design view. Find out where the number field is. This is the number field. And there is a section called as criteria here. So in the number field, criteria, the number is less than 2. Click run. You can see the number of records has been reduced to a lesser number. One more condition we need to apply. Take the design view. The stock item is yes. Type yes here. Click run. Again, the number of records has been reduced into a lesser number. We need to make one more thing. Sorts the data in descending order of make. Again, take the design view. Find out where is the make field, and there is an option sort here. Click here. We need to sort it according to the ascending order of make. Click ascending, click run. Now the error is on the top. All these are sorted. We have to make sure that all the fields are clearly visible. We can drag so that all fields are clearly visible. Now click save. So we have done the query part of this question. Contains a new field order. This is done, and the number is less than 2. Stock item is yes, and sorting is also done. So that is only the query part for this question. Now, the next one. Produce label from all the data which fits on two sides. That's the label part. Shows only the records where the use contains kite surf. Stock item field is yes, and the skill level is not beginner. Shows only the fields make, model, size, price, and win condition. So we don't have to show all the fields, we need to show just 5 fields. Display the field name as well as the data are sorted into ascending order of size. So these are the questions that we have to do in this one. So the question is to produce label. To produce a label, again we have to make a query. So in this query, there are 3 conditions. Use contains kite surf. Stock item field is yes, and skill level not beginner. So we are going to make another query. First thing, we will close the older one. Again, we go to the Create tab, Query section, Query Wizard, click OK, take all the fields except ID. Make sure that this one is selected as the table. Table TBL N10 EKS. Make sure this is the one that has got selected. Click Next. Here, give a sensible name for the query. I'm going to name it as query for label. Query label. Modify query design. So now we have the design view of the query. Now we are going to apply one by one. Shows only the records where the use contains kitesurf. Let's see the data sheet view first. Now we have a lot of records where the use contains kitesurf. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. We need to show only those records where the use contains kitesurf. So again, go to the design view. Find out the use field. This is the use field. The criteria is it contains kitesurf. So it can be anywhere. So I'm just putting an asterisk sign in front, kite surf, and an asterisk sign at the end also. This is called as wildcard search. This means it will show all the records wherever there is the word kitesurf. Let's click run and see. Okay, once again we have got an extra space here. Okay. We got all the records where the use field contains kitesurf. Now we have got two more criteria. That is stock item field is yes. Click here, go to design view, stock item field, click yes. Click run. Okay, we got only those records where the stock item contains yes. Now skill level is not beginner. Go to the design view, skill level, criteria is not beginner. Have typed not beginner, make sure that the spelling is correct. Click run. So we got only those records where the skill level is not beginner, the use contains kitesurf, and the stock item is equal. We have got 8 records. Now, there are some things mentioned in the question. That is, we need to show only the fields make, model, size, price, win condition. So take the design view. There is a show option here. So whichever fields that you need to display, make sure that you have a tick mark here. So those fields which you don't want to display, untick the box. So make we need model, size, price, we don't need this. Win condition we need, you don't need this, you don't need this one also. So we need only make, model, size, price, and win condition. Now click run. So only those fields are displayed here. Now we need to sort the records into the ascending order of size. Again, take the design view. Find out the size field, sort, ascending order, click run. So it's sorted in the ascending order of size. That's save. So we have finished the query part for this question also. Now moving on to the next one. Question number 42. Produce an extract from all the data which selects only small kites of less than size 3, those suitable for beginners. So the condition is small kites, it should be less than size 3. So you have to understand this less than. The size should be less than 3. Suitable only for beginners. We need to show only the fields make, model, size, and price. Sort the kites into ascending order of price. We need to sort kites into the ascending order of price. So this question. You have to make a query for the extract. So first thing that you have going to do is create one query, close the old one, close this one, go to the queries section, query wizard, click OK. Make sure table is selected. Select all the fields. We don't need ID, so take it back. Click next, next. Here, query. This query is meant for the extract, so I'm going to name it as query extract. Modify query design. Finish. Now this is the design view of the query. These are the records. Now we are going to apply criteria one by one. Select only small kites of less than size 3. Find out the size field. The criteria is less than 3. We need to show only those kites which is less than 3. Okay, only this much. Those suitable for beginners. So the condition is it should be those suitable for beginner. Go to the design view. The skill level should be beginner. Type beginner here. Click run. So these are the kites with size less than 3 and those suitable for beginner. Shows only the fields make, model, size, price. We need to show only 4 fields. Go to the design view, make, model, size and price. We don't want the other fields, so untick all the other boxes. Now click run. You need to show only this much. Now, sorts the kite into ascending order of price. Again, take the design view, price. We are going to sort it in ascending order of price. Done. It's sorted in the ascending order of price. Now save the query. Finished. So we have done the extract also, the query part. So we are going to do only the query part. That's it. Thank you.